Adam here with Crawford Company with another tech tip. This tech tip is about water softeners. What is a water softener and why would you want your water softer? A water softener is essentially a filter that we install in your water piping as it comes into the house from either the well source or the city source. That filter actually removes the minerals from that water, which then in turn makes it softer. So what is soft water and what is hard water? Soft water is water that doesn't have those minerals in it. Hard water is what you don't want in your home. Hard water with those minerals in it does all sorts of things. Doesn't allow soap to lather when you're washing your clothes or your body. Doesn't remove that soap from your body, which causes dry skin. It builds up those minerals in your pipes, appliances, water heaters, and any of your faucets, and that causes those items to not last as long and break down. Have you ever seen white deposits around a shower head or on your dishes? That's hard water. At Crawford, we install water softeners. Not only do those remove the minerals from your water, they can, depending on which models we install, also remove chemicals and lead. Chemicals are present in almost all of our water, and those chemicals are not things you want to drink. They're in there because they distribute the water to your home. When you get it, we want to remove those chemicals. We also don't want to drink lead. There's not a lot of lead in water anymore, but it is still very present. Call Crawford Company. We can come out. We'll sample your water. We'll test it for free. We'll tell you of a solution that'll make your water what you really want it to be. Just clean, pure water.